Hello friends, I welcome you in my official YouTube channel Online Scam Advisor. Today we are going to review SweetRestore.net website, and our video topic is Sweet Restore Reviews. And in this video, I will tell you that this website is legit or not. So let's start. This is an e-commerce store and offering you Sweet Restore Glycogen that is a dietary supplement product. You can also check here, and they use HTTPS protocol SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, so it's also a positive sign. And also, here you can check registration and expiry date of this website. Next, we will check all informative pages. So some informative pages are available here, so it's also a good point. Please check the description area of this video for return and refund issues. Now finally, we will talk about Sweet Restore reviews. So there are no reviews available, it's a negative point. Trust score is 32 out of 100, which is low. They are also not active on any social media platform. It's also a negative sign. Business trust ranking is 6.3 only, and that is low business trust ranking. Content quality is also plagiarized. So according to our research, in the conclusion of Sweet Restore reviews, this website and product both looks fake. But make a right decision while exploring. If this video is informative and helpful for you, then support me, like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Also comment me if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video. And stay happy, stay safe.